Welcome to this week's Connect the Dots, an industry intelligence production. I'm your host, Alec Gaylord. Today's topic? Fiber. It's everywhere. It's in our food, our clothes, and now, thanks to the wonders of science, it's in stuff you can't even imagine. Scientists are re-engineering everyday items with cellulose wood fibers because just being recyclable isn't enough. The dirty secret is that most things put into recycling bins aren't recycled anyway. So true sustainability has to start in the design phase, long before anything hits the bin. And old-fashioned trees are making this new-fashioned sustainability into a reality. Let's start with bags that dissolve, or as we call it, purse disperse. Have you heard of Sonnet 155? No, it's not a Shakespeare poem, so close your English textbook. Sonnet 155 is a prototype purse designed by two graduate students in Berlin, Germany, Lobke Beckfeld and Joanna Heyemeyer-Kürten. These two innovators hate to see fashion products ending up in landfills. So, they designed Sonnet 155, a semi-translucent fruit leather bag that dissolves in water and can be used to fertilize plants once it is no longer needed. Made of fruit skins left over from juice production and cellulose fibers sourced from a local textile factory, the Sonnet 155 bag looks like a purse made of fruit roll-ups, a sort of purse roll-up, if you will. The bag's key ingredient is pectin, a gelling agent extracted from the cell walls of the waste fruit, reinforced with cellulose fibers shorter than 5 millimeters long, which are too short to be turned into fabric, but they're perfect for colorful, wavy purses. There's just one more step in making Sonnet 155 a reality. Beckfeld and Heyemeyer-Kürten are now looking for a manufacturing partner to commercialize their beautiful cellulose purses. In an effort not to miss out on the natural fiber trend, beer giant Corona has a new 6-pack packaging design made via a pulping process that took 3 years to perfect and combines barley straw with 100% recycled wood fibers. Already released in Colombia, with plans for Argentina later this year, the packaging is as strong and durable as a regular 6-pack, but better for the planet. The barley is leftover straw from farmers' harvests, and that 3 years in the making process is designed to improve straw's relative fragility. Because if there's one thing that won't work for beer packaging, it's the risk of dropping a bottle on the way to the fridge. Corona sees the product as a path forward to eliminate the need for virgin trees and raw material from their supply chain in the future. Philippe Ambra, the company's global vice president of marketing, says, quote, "We are proud to announce this first step in reinventing the future of packaging for our industry." End quote. Who would have thought the future of 6-packs would be recycled wood fibers and leftover barley? Ugh, as if beer snobs need any more earthy ingredients to name drop. Speaking of the future, University of Maryland researchers have developed a method for making transparent wood that could provide an environmentally friendly alternative to glass windows. The material is both lighter and stronger than glass, and it provides better insulation. Liangbing Hu, a professor at the Maryland Energy Innovation Institute, says the transparent wood, quote, could be used for load-bearing windows and roofs. It can potentially be used to make a see-through house, end quote. The reason? Previous methods used to make transparent wood have involved removing the lignin completely with harsh chemicals, which results in a weaker piece of wood. But this new method actually makes the wood stronger while also reducing the energy required to produce it, which is technically called a win-win in the sustainability world. Is it just us, or could an invisible house made of wood fiber have drastically changed the outcome of the Three Little Pigs story? Anyways, beyond houses, researchers say that the method is suitable for scalable production for use in energy-efficient buildings, which means the big bad wolf will have to do a lot more huffing and puffing if he's going to blow anything down. Going back across the Atlantic, We stop at Finland's Aalto University, where researchers have developed an edible wood-based foam that could replace plastic. Using artificial intelligence, the researchers created a foam with wood-like qualities, such as strength, flexibility, and heat resistance. This edible wood-based foam can resist shock and humidity and replace plastic as a material. Not that we think of plastic as something edible. The prototype has been granted funding by Business Finland for commercialization. According to Juha Koivisto, the project's researcher, the most extraordinary part is that the foam is edible. And guess what? Koivisto's team even uses carrot, cranberry, or beetroot powder to create wood-based flavored snack chips. You may think that you're eating a potato chip, but it's actually made of wood fibers. And wouldn't that be a perfect snack to accompany your wood-based Corona Sixer? Not that we're unimpressed by futuristic wood-based potato chips, but we think the most impressive part is the creative process. Scientists are using machine learning to exclude superfluous combinations of materials and processes, meaning that they're using just the materials and energy they need. Remember, sustainability starts in the design phase. Who would have thought beer rings and wood chips would be the stuff of a sustainable future? Scientists, that's who. Well, that's all for today's futuristic fiber tour. For Industry Intelligence, I'm Alec Gaylord, reminding you that everything you see and touch can be made so sustainably that you'll never need to recycle it, which is good because it likely won't be recycled anyway, despite what the side of your bin says. Please visit our website at www.industryintel.com and check out our blog and podcast for more cool ideas. Have a great day and keep the dots connected.